Welcome and what is up there, everybody? This is Casper with Casper Crypto, and in today's video I've got some huge Dogecoin news to share with you guys. I can't believe how much money this just went for. I'm not going to spoil it right now, but we're going to be going over that huge news piece in today's video, along with some technical analysis and some Dogecoin price predictions to see where we're going to be heading in the next few hours, along with the next few days in Dogecoin price. So before we get into the video, I'd really appreciate you guys could smash that like button down below and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you guys have not yet. I really appreciate it a ton. Alright, so taking a look at Dogecoin, we're currently sitting at a little bit over 32 cents per Doge, only down about 1% on the day, 1.6%. But yeah, we did have a major move in the last hour or so, where we moved from about the 31 cent area to about 33.2 cents per Dogecoin. We saw this huge spike that happened. Not sure really why. I'm guessing that it was just a large amount of volume that came in, a lot of buyers. And then since then, we've slowly been getting more of a steady price and getting down to about the 32 cent area where it's calmed down a little bit. I think that it's going to stick around this area because this is a major area of support where it's been sitting at for quite a while, like the last whole day basically, around the 32 cent to the 32.5 cent area. Somewhere around there is where I'm expecting Dogecoin to be at for the next few hours. But if we take a look at the 7-day chart, we can see that we're still nowhere close to the area we were at around June 7th, June 6th, June 7th. We were at about 37 cents, just cruising around this area, having a good time. And then the whole boom, June 7th, June 8th crash happened, and we saw Dogecoin below the levels of 30 cents. I know crypto coin market cap might not want to show exactly the amount, but it was at about 29.6 cents per Dogecoin, and since then we've attempted to rebound back up one time, but we failed a little bit and we got dropped all the way back down to about the 31 cent area, and it looks like we're getting ready for another spike upwards where we could be heading to that 34 35 cent area, which we did just a few days ago, that we had around June 9th where we hit 35 cents. So I think that's where we're going to be heading in the next few days and in the next few hours or so. But let's get into the big news aspect, because that's really what's going on. That's crazy right here. So if we get into it, we can see that an NFT of the photo that inspired Dogecoin just sold for $4 million. That's right, you heard that right, $4 million. Imagine getting $4 million deposited into your Ethereum wallet, just boom, like that, for selling a NFT. So this is not just the crazy part. There's some more deeper meaning in this that a lot of people miss, but I want to make sure you guys can see this part. So that picture of a Doge staring into a camera in formal posture, you know, the one that sparked the Doge meme, someone just sold it for millions in Ethereum. So it basically goes on to say right here that Dogecoin has seen a significant increase in attention in 2021. Yeah, we know that. We know that the price rose. We've been following Dogecoin. But right around here is where it says, capitalizing on the rise of attention, someone sold a non-fungible token, NFT, of the picture on which a Dogecoin cryptocurrency was based. The original image that started it all read the description on NFT, sold on Very.auction. This photo of the Shiba Inu I don't know how to say that, Kabosu, was taken by her owner, Atsuko Sato. I'm sorry if I butchered the names, but on February 13, 2010, the description explains, adding, after sharing it with her personal blog alongside a series of other famous images under the title Taking a Walk with the Kabosu-chan, these photos went on to kickstart the Doge meme and have circulated the web ever since. None more iconic than this picture. So they basically go on to say that this NFT was sold for just an insane amount of money from just a little meme that was made up back in 2010. And since then, look how much we've evolved since 2010, where this little meme came out. We've gotten Doge memes, then we've gotten Dogecoin, and now we've got Dogecoin NFTs selling for millions upon millions of dollars, right? But here is some also more important stuff that we get to see. The NFT was minted by a user named Kabosumama on May 31st, according to the auction site. The first bid landed on June 8th from a user who was willing to pay 6.5 Ethereum for the piece. Bidding escalated from there. The winning bid of 1,696.9 Ethereum, over $4 million at the time of publication, was wagered on June 11th. So that's today. 1,696.9 Ethereum. The person who bought this had to have had an insane amount of Ethereum or been just a really early adopter to it in order to buy this NFT for such a low price. But topping above 70 cents per coin, Dogecoin's price has risen substantially in 2021. The asset, however, has not fallen notably since then, in the line where the rest of the crypto market is recently trading at roughly about 30 cents at the time publication. So it is worth a little bit more right now. As you can see, it's up by like 1 cent. Not much, but if you multiply that by 1,600, by $4 million, if you do the math, it is a significant increase. So if we take a look right here, and we're going to get right into the price analysis to do some price predictions right after this. But Elon Musk, the self-proclaimed CEO of Dogecoin, has posted a number of Dogecoin-related tweets in the recent months. And Jack Palmer and Billy Marcus created the asset in 2013 as a meme-based crypto parody, which wasn't really supposed to have any kind of significant use case or meaning. It was just made as a joke, but oh man, have we evolved from there, especially from Elon Musk just completely pumping it and pumping it and pumping it up, giving it more attention by the public. And I wouldn't be surprised if Elon Musk was the main holder, the biggest holder of Dogecoin with about $11.5 billion of it. But yeah, that's the news. That's pretty interesting. I wanted to share with you guys. And now let's get into the technical analysis and price prediction of Dogecoin. So as we can see, since about April 15, 2021, we've been forming this sort of head and shoulders pattern for the last few months. As you can see, we've had a bounce up, drop down, bounce up again, and another drop down. And the neckline for the head and shoulders pattern is right along this trend line that I drew right here. And it's been a major support area for the price of Dogecoin since it started, since the head and shoulders pattern started coming to effect. So as we can see, we've dropped below this neckline many times before though. We've seen prices drop to about 15 cents back in April 22nd, April 23rd as well. We saw prices at about 18 cents per Dogecoin. But as you can see, these weren't full candles. These were just candle wicks that didn't have, that didn't fully go drop below and stay below there, which is good news because if we do have a full candle that stays below, that could mean that could signal that we're dropping below the support level and it could get really ugly really fast. But yeah, again, we fell right below here, but we saw an immense amount of buying pressure. You can see this is the volume right here. We saw an immense amount of buying pressure step in right when we dropped down below this neckline. Same thing here. We saw a lot of buying pressure come in whenever you drop below. And we had a minor drop right here just a few days ago. And we didn't have too much volume, but we were able to rebound out of that and not go below that neckline, which could have signaled a potential big drop in Dogecoin prices. So what could have happened if it dropped below the neckline would be something like this, where it would fall below, retest, and then drop back down lower. Not sure exactly which prices it could have gone to, but it could have gone to about the 10 cents to 21 cent area, which are some levels of support that has been holding recently. But yeah, we could have seen prices drop down by like insane amounts, by like 50% if we saw a break below this neckline, but good thing we didn't. And sometimes it's like a 20% chance. It might be a fake out. It might be a fake out where we see a drop below, it might stay below for a few days, and then boom, we shoot back up and make new highs. So it really depends on what's happening, but those are just the patterns that are currently going on, along with one more thing that I wanted to mention to you guys, which is this, I guess you can call this an ascending triangle, even though it's really big and it's going to take a while for this triangle to close. But if we take a look, we've been using this trend line right here, which is also the neckline, the head and shoulders pattern, as support multiple times before. So it's a very strong level of support. And I think that whenever we're close to this level, we're at a very good buying opportunity for the price of Dogecoin. And the next point of resistance that we could probably see a sell-off at would be around the 44-cent level. So if we were to buy right now and we saw an increase to about 44 cents, that'd be Dogecoin prices increasing by about 12 cents, which is like 40%. That's awesome. Wait, is that 40%? Let's count it up real quick. Maybe not 40%, but about 30% increase in price that we could see from going from the support to the resistance level on Dogecoin. And that's basically what I'd be looking for, maybe to average in on some Dogecoin down at the support levels and ride it up to the resistance, take some profits, and then keep riding in between this little wedge that's forming, ascending triangle that's forming. And if we were to see a break below this neckline, like a very strong break below, I might consider selling some off and then buying it more later around this area. But of course, this is not financial advice. These videos are just for entertainment and educational purposes only. But yeah, that's my personal opinions on Dogecoin and my price prediction for it. If you guys enjoyed the video, I really appreciate you guys could smash that like button down below. Thank you guys all so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.